In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Manychat automation. If you're managing a Manychat account, you know how helpful automation can be in streamlining repetitive tasks. However, there may be times when you need to pause or disable these automations temporarily, maybe for maintenance, updates, or shifting marketing strategies. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step for a seamless experience. First, you'll need to navigate to the Manychat website. Open up your browser and head over to the Manychat sign-in page. It's important to ensure you are signed in with the correct credentials, so make sure you have your login details handy. If you're already signed in, this step will be a breeze for you. Once you are signed in, you should land on the Manychat homepage. This is your dashboard where you can access all the features Manychat has to offer. From here, your next destination is the Home tab. It's usually located at the top of your dashboard, providing an overview of your account activities and settings. Next, you want to click on the automation section. This is where all your automated workflows and messages live. Automations in Manychat can encompass various processes such as welcome messages, follow-up sequences, and other tasks that run in the background to enhance customer interactions. Finding the automation section is easy as it's prominently displayed among the menu options on your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to the list of all current automations set up in your Manychat account. Here in the automation section, you'll see a list of all the automations you've created. Browse through this list to identify the specific automation that you need to pause. Each automation will be listed with its name and other helpful identifiers. Found it? Great! Now, after selecting the specific automation you wish to edit, simply look for the option to delete. By selecting delete, you effectively pause the automation. Now, a quick tip here, even though the term delete might sound permanent, in Manychat this option is how you pause the automation, so don't worry about losing all your hard work. It's more like putting it on hold. Once you have confirmed this action, your selected automation will no longer run and you've successfully paused it. Remember, if you need to re-enable this automation later, you will need to set it back up in the automation section, so jot down any crucial settings you might want to reuse. And there you have it, folks. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently pause automation in Manychat whenever the need arises. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need assistance managing your Manychat automations. Happy automating!